Hi sweeties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a lipstick review for you. So I went to my beauty supply store and I saw this lipstick. Is by NK Makeup, and this one is the Velveteen lipsticks. There's a whole section and it had like amazing pretty colors. So I said I wanted to go ahead and do this review for you. And it's called NK Makeup. And what brought me to this is my I Love Gold lipstick. Pull it out. And they had the gold lipstick that I always go in there and buy. And I went to pick this one up because your girl don't have no more gold lipstick. I didn't use it to the T. This is 14 karat gold lipstick. Let's put some more. Yep. Okay, so there you go. But I'll put it here because I did put a little lip gloss on, so it's not holding 100% of my lips. But there it is on my lips. And I love gold lipstick because of my brown tones in my face. It brings it out. It brings out the warm tones in my skin. And then here it is swatched on my hands. So yeah, so I went in the beauty supply store because the beauty supply store carried that 14 karat gold I got, and then the brand that I usually get, they didn't carry it no more. But the lady there, she said, "Oh, I got a new brand for you that you will like, and they have some nice colors." So it's called NK, and I tried it. I swatched it, and it turned out swatched like this. And then I just tried it on for you guys, and you see how pretty. I love gold lipstick. Like this is 14 karat gold, and then. And 903 is the number if you're looking for it. I went looking for gold lipstick and I found this brand. So then they had a whole section of their NK Makeup Velveteen lipsticks. And I looked at this and I was like, wow, these are some pretty colors. So I said I was going to review these today. And well, there are four. It's four of them. So this one is strawberry. And this one is Bayberry. This one is baking chocolate, and then the fourth one is wineberry. So I wanted to try these. I saw that they were all name flavored, so I was like, wait, I like the berries too, so let me try them. So I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna show you the colors, swatch them, and then I will also show you how they look on me. Okay, so first, this is wineberry, and I love the container. The container is here, and I love how the bottom turn. So you take it off, and you just turn it. And this is wineberry here. Ooh, look at that color. So let's go ahead and swatch it. And then it that comes off really smooth too. So that's wineberry. Yeah, I love that berry color. So, of course, and these are velveteen. So they're not, you know, come off as smooth. So that comes off really, really good. So I love the pigmentation of this already. These are going to be awesome on. Let's apply wineberry. Oh, this is pretty. Okay. Ooh. Wineberry. So this is wineberry swatch and wineberry on my lips. Okay, I love this color. You know, I love the berries and the bronze and everything. Wineberry, yes. So what do you guys think? You like this one? So let me know below which color you like the most. You like wineberry swatched and on lips. And what I like about it, it goes on smooth. So I only had to apply it once. It's very pigmented because I didn't have to apply it twice or three times. So I really like that about this. It's wineberry. It comes in, the number on this is NKB04, and this says wineberry right there. Focusing on camera right there. So let's go ahead to the next color. So that's wineberry. Next up is Bayberry, and Bayberry comes in color NKB02 and Bayberry there. You can focus. Okay, and like I said, it's the color. And this is still the Velveteen lipsticks. So I'm going to swatch it right next to Wineberry. And that's Bayberry in the front. Ooh, like that. And let's try Bayberry on. So you don't have to use as much of it because it's very pigmented. Pretty. Oh, I'm in loving these colors. Most lipsticks I do have to apply twice. I don't have to apply it that much. It comes on very smooth, very, very pretty. And this is Bayberry here. And then Wineberry. So you can see this is a little more on the darker berry. And this is a lighter type of berry, which is gorgeous. It's smooth. It goes on very smooth. It doesn't look creamy as cream, but it has that matte finish look to it. You'll get a full range of how it looks, how each of the colors look on me. And I love this. I think I just found my color. Like, I'm going to be using these. I saw them and she was like, oh, they're so pigmented. And I tried them in the store. And even when you swatch them, they look like this. So let's go to the next color. So the next color is Baking Chocolate. And that's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh. Like I said, these are so pigmented. And I'm going to apply it. So this is what it looks like. Baking Chocolate. Then I'm going to apply it on me. Okay, so this is baked chocolate. And it reminds me of like that reddish brown color. It is gorgeous. And I love, love, love this. So I will be loving and wearing that color. It is really pretty. It's that light brown reddish color. Oh, you guys, I think this is one of my favorite reviews. These colors are killing it. So Baking Chocolate is in color NK14, and this is called Baking Chocolate. My last one, which is my favorites of all times. I love strawberry. So this is strawberry, and this is an NKB01. And that's what strawberry looks like. And we're going to swatch it. Yes, look, that's strawberry. Hold on. So that's strawberry right there. That's baked chocolate. This is Wineberry. And this is Bayberry. And so that's all the colors there. And let me go ahead and try on strawberry. And yes, let's go with strawberry. Now, strawberry is my color, baby. So that's strawberry, and I'm wearing strawberry. You guys, I swatched a few of these. I didn't swatch these, but I swatched a few in the store, and I was like, I'm sold. They're so pigmented. Insert pictures, and that way I can wear it for a while and let you guys know my whole review. So yes, you guys, coming back on the review. I have been wearing them for a few. This is strawberry I have on. And I just kept that on from the last video to see how long it will last. They last pretty well. They apply really well. As you know, I applied them all and put them on. You don't need more than 2 coats. If you need 2 coats, they come on very pigmented, which I like about it. These are the Velveteen lipsticks. And I would say these are A. I reviewing these and I like this very much. I love all the colors of these and how they turned out. Really, really pretty. I love how it goes on. And as you see in the pictures, you can really see the pigmentation. So my overview of these, I really like these. I'm glad I did stop today because it's like a whole section in the beauty supply store. And she was right. I really like these. So try these out, you guys, and let me know if you tried them, if you use them, let me know. I was just coming for my go, and I saw them, and I was like, wow, look at those colors. And yay. And I love this container, the container, and how the bottom is glassed up. So you see that? Hold on, let me show you the bottom. Yeah, you see how the bottom of that is? I really like that about these. They were really reasonable. I believe they were like $2 or $3. They probably was $2.99, which is really good for lipstick because, you know, you can pay money for lipstick. So beauty supply store, really pigmented, really good, less than it wasn't more than $3. It was between there. So price is good, pigmented, lasts a long time. I really, really like these. Honey, I just found my new red favorite lipstick right here. That Strawberry Killer. Yes, so if you want to see more lipstick reviews, just give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button and then go over and click that notification button so that you're notified every time I upload a video. I also do a weekly product on my Instagram, so go ahead and follow me on any of my social medias. So that way I pick a weekly product and then I'm able to share that with you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.